In less than 12 hours, the International Criminal Court host to 3 of the 6 post-election violence suspects as they make their first appearance before the ICC pre-trial chamber. The 3 suspects who will appear before the pre-trial judges at 9:30 local time or 10:30 a.m. Kenyan time are Eldoret North MP William Ruto, Tinderet MP Henry Kosgei, and radio presenter Joshua Arap Sang. But even before the suspects make their initial appearance, ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo and his legal team held a series of meetings to review the evidence that he has against the suspects and the court's procedure. Ocampo confirmed that contrary to a perception that he was pushing for the detention of the suspects, his interest was the rule of law be followed.
6 individuals, 6 suspects, had to come to The Hague to appear before the judges. And the judge accepted the request of the prosecutor that they could remain free as soon they are not affecting the witnesses or committing new crimes.
When the suspects make their initial appearance, the procedure will be brief but formal. Each of the suspects will be required to introduce himself formally to the court through their legal teams. The suspects will then have the charges they are facing formally read out to them, but will not be required to take a plea at this stage. Each of the 3 suspects is facing up to 4 charges relating to incitement to violence, murder and forcible movement of population in Rift Valley region. The court will also review whether the suspects have adhered to the conditions it set out for them when it issued the summons to appear. The members of parliament who have accompanied the suspect will be allowed into the court, but will be required to strictly maintain law and order, including maintaining silence within the court's precincts. The suspects will then be given a date when they will appear again before the court for the process of confirming the charges to kick off. ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo will also be seeking fresh conditions against the suspects, and some of the conditions include that the suspects make full financial disclosure to the court and also not to make any statements that may be misconstrued to mean any open or veiled attacks against the victims or possible witnesses. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV, at The Hague, Netherlands.